today I'm taking you to see our Hall 9, an exhibition hall for building electrical and AI, which is a major theme of our Hall 9. I've now entered the interior of Hall 9. Today is already the third day of the Frankfurt exhibition, and the foot traffic inside Hall 9 is also quite good. If we say our Hall 8 is the brain of lighting, then our Hall 9 is the nervous system of the entire building. The entire theme of our Hall 9 is electrical engineering, building automation, and security technology. The exhibitors here don't just make lights anymore, but systems, which can make buildings perceive, think, and respond automatically. Let's go! Let me show you how today's buildings are becoming smarter and smarter. This time, Hall 9 has brought us many new surprises, and one of the most special is an AI language. In 2026, Light Beauty is launching AI language in collaboration with Handwork Gifts for the first time, specifically designed for craftsmen and professionals in the electrical appliance industry. So the theme is hands-on AI, using AI hands-on. What does that mean? It means teaching you how to apply AI in your daily work. For example, AI can help you generate lighting wiring plans, assist you in creating our foreign trade quotations, and even help you schedule construction plans. With AI language, you can try out these applications hands-on, which is a rare opportunity for friends in engineering to experience at the exhibition. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to help you get the work done. Hall 9 is home to one of our core exhibitors and is a pavilion where electrical industry giants are gathered. Hall 9 not only brings together leading brands in the electrical industry such as Simon, SC, ABB, Gara, and Wego. These household names and industry giants can all be seen at this exhibition. Gara is at booth B16 in Hall 11.1, but the technology they're bringing is worth discussing in advance here in Hall 9. This year, Gara is focusing on an IP access control communication system based on international standards. It can be expanded to 100 units and seamlessly integrated into networked building structures. There's also Haga, whose theme is Better Buildings, Better Tomorrows. Better Buildings, Better Tomorrows. In Hall 11.1, Hager is also showcasing new solutions for building control. In a couple of days, we'll go take a look together. For things like charging infrastructure and energy management systems, they present everything to us as a complete package. So what are these industrial giants doing now? They are transforming buildings from energy-consuming units into independent energy nodes. By integrating photovoltaic access, energy storage management, charging stations, and smart power distribution, all of these elements are connected within a single system. This is exactly what the industry giants are working on. There's another name worth noting in Hall 9. They specialize in LiDAR technology, which means laser radar products. On March 10th, which is today, they will be giving a presentation at the exhibitor stage in Hall 9. What is the topic? It's about innovations in smart building security LiDAR. They will talk about digital twin systems, people flow management, and security automation. But what do all these technical terms actually mean? It means that buildings are starting to feel alive, that buildings are beginning to have perception. They can detect where people are inside the building, where people are moving, which areas of which building units are crowded, and which areas are empty. Then they can automatically adjust all electrical devices such as lighting, air conditioning, and even security strategies. This isn't a science fiction story. This is something that's already happening in 2026. So this is just an example, how the digital twin can leverage this gap between the information I have and how do I work with it. Behind me now is where we were just listening to the lecture, the stage in Hall 9 for new product launches, tech sharing, and real-world case studies. Throughout the exhibition, there are constant speeches and forums here. That's one reason I love attending these shows. So many experts gather to talk about new tech, and famous CPOs and engineers show up. Many brands you're familiar with are here too. It's really high-value content. If you want to quickly learn about the latest industry breakthroughs, sitting here in Hall 9 for a day is more rewarding than wandering the show for 3 days on your own. We've basically finished touring Hall 9 now, so let me summarize a few practical tips for you. After touring all of Hall 9, the first thing is that the AI sector is a must-see. Lighting Plus Building 2026 introduced this exhibition for the first time. Now, this area is specifically designed for craftsmen and engineers. It's not some high and mighty AI forum. It's something our engineers or professionals can use right away and take back with them. Second, be sure to check the schedule for the exhibition lectures in advance. Pick the sessions with the big names and topics you're interested in. Seats are limited, so get there early. Third, the booths of the electrical giants are definitely worth setting aside time for during your visit to this Frankfurt exhibition. Well-known brands like these represent the highest level of building automation for 2026. Their booths usually have very complete system demonstrations, which are much more intuitive than just looking at a catalog. You can try them out yourself. Over the past 2 days, we've gone from Hall 3 to Hall 9, basically covering the most core exhibition halls for lighting and building electrical systems. So let's take a look back. Today is already the third day in Frankfurt. Hall 3 is the heart of technical and design lighting. Hall 4 is the battlefield for urban lighting. Hall 5 is the all-star team of top industry brands. Hall 6 is the emotional battlefield for decorative lighting. Hall 8 is the brain of lighting, and Hall 9 is the nervous system of the building. After this tour, your understanding of the lighting industry in 2026 should cover the entire chain, from how to illuminate to how to inspire, from hardware to systems, and from functionality to intelligence. Finally, I'd like to share a thought with you. The lighting industry is undergoing a silent revolution. From products to systems, hardware to data, and manual labor to AI. Whoever can clearly see these trends will thrive in the next 5 years. I'm Blair, and that's it for our in-depth tour of Light Plus Building this week. If you run into me at the exhibition, remember to come say hi. See you at the next show. Bye-bye.